Good morning, everybody. This is Axiom Automaton, the automation expert, and today I'm going to show you how to compute the amount of time between two dates in Airtable. Let's get started. Let's create a column. We'll call this column duration, and we're going to make it a formula type. So let's scroll down here and select formula. And now what we want to do is we want to use a built-in function called date time diff. And then we have to pass in two arguments. So the first will be end, and the second will be start. And what this is going to do is it's going to calculate the amount of time between end and start, where end and start are the end and start times of each event in our table. So let's create field. And there we go. And these times are by default in seconds. If we want to change the units to something more human readable, such as minutes, then we'll go back to customize field type. And as a third parameter here, we'll pass in a little m in quotation marks. And that will mean that our units are minutes. So go ahead and save. And now here we go. So for our first event, we have the start time at 9 a.m. and our end time at 9:30 a.m. So 30-minute duration, that's correct. Here, our second event, we have start at 2 p.m., end at 3:30, so 90 minutes. Our third task starts at 4 p.m. and actually ends at 1 p.m., so that's an error, right? It actually starts 3 hours before it ends, or rather it ends 3 hours before it starts, and so our duration is actually negative. And let's say that we want to correct this. Maybe this is supposed to be 5 p.m. Then you can see that this now updates to 60 as expected. And finally, this last event is something which starts on the 11th at 7 p.m. and ends at the 12th at 11 a.m. So this is a very long event. And we can see that that's actually 960 minutes. If you guys found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.